Hello and welcome back, Commanders and Commanderettes. Chesty Puller here with another video. What I'd like to do is I'd like to test out the Karen. And since we're still in the Immortal Sins event, I'd like to test her out here. So we'll see how quickly she can get through this event. Okay, let's put her on Ruby and release her. See, I did a video during the event saying that I think Karen was going to be an awesome hero during the event where we got her, and I think she is proving to be pretty great. Let's go to the next base. I don't even think there's a need to repair. We'll probably repair after this just to see how much damage she took. I got some other boomers in here too, but I'm not using them right now. See, the thing I noticed here is she's moving so fast that the projectiles aren't landing on her. They're landing behind her because she's moving so quickly. Now, in this case, that's probably good. If you got like a unit that just stands there and waits to shoot, but she just doesn't waste any time. And the unusual thing about her is she doesn't, she goes right on into danger, which I'm not sure if that part is great. If I were to control herself, I wouldn't necessarily go right into danger like that. She's definitely going right into danger. Oh, I forgot to check how much that was. We'll check after this one. I don't think that was more than a few seconds damage. Let's see. So this is a very quick way to do this event. We're just testing her right now, so we're not going into the XP challenges, but this looks like a pretty formidable challenge right here. We'll just do her on Ruby still and see what happens. See, she just goes right into everything, and that part I'm not quite sure I like. I wish she would hang back a little bit, but she just goes for it. She keeps moving forward even though she's reached her target range. So let's see what that was. I mean, it doesn't look like much, right? It doesn't look like much. So we'll start it and not do it instant. Look at that, just a few seconds. That's pretty awesome. As the bases keep going up, I may not be able to do Ruby on every one. We'll see. But again, that might be exactly what to do, because she seems to be somewhat unruly, somewhat hard to control. She immediately goes for the middle of the base where everybody is shooting her. This I do not like. Yeah, I bet you I could do this base if I were controlling her with almost zero damage, she has enough range to get to everybody, but she just goes right into the middle of it, taking all the damage, as much damage as possible. She does have damage mitigation on her workshop, but that is kind of a stupid attack pattern. Let's see. Yeah, I could have done that a lot better. Still basically free repair. 5 minutes and a couple of seconds. But that was stupid to go into the middle of the base. I'm taking her off Ruby. What's next? Attack is 5. I want to do that particular 5. I'm using that one. Sorry, Ruby. I'm going to take you off. I don't know if taking her off of Ruby will even help her on this base with all of these projectile cannons that slow her down. She's just going to keep attacking anything in her sight anyway. See that? I mean, she's moving way too fast. Boy, her shots are awesome. I mean, they are. She is a fast unit. Should have come back here first because of these stupid cannons and just taken out these you know what, I'll bet she outranges that guy. Let me see. No. Reminds me of Cheerios for some reason. This should be free repair. Let's see. Yeah. Again, I'm not going to put her on Ruby in this base. This base is actually a really good test for her because she is proving herself to be pretty valuable so far. I used her the first time I used her. I used her without any workshop, and I thought she was great without workshop, and then I realized, hey, wait a minute, she's got workshop I haven't used yet, so I used it here pretty much on these bases right here for the first time. These cannons will slow me down, so I want to take these guys out first before I get involved in that. And I don't want to go in the middle Like she's prone to go in the middle, you know, that's stupid. And she can shoot while I move. That's cool. I was testing that out. I think what I want to do is take these helicopters out. This guy out. Yeah, maybe just come in from this side of the base and then work my way across. That'll work. Something happens and she picks up some speed. I'm not quite sure what that is about, but she does seem to pick up some speed at certain times. Guys, I think this is done and free repair, I'll bet. If it's not free repair, it's really close. The entire event in just a few minutes with Karen, all by herself, and I think it's free repair. We'll see here in just a second. Okay, that's the first time I've ever been able to do an event with one unit free repair on Ruby. That's amazing. That is a pretty good, and these opponents were pretty formidable. So I think that's you try that with anything else. Try that with another hero. Even if you wanted to, try that with Brayden. It's not going to work. I think the way it works is what they do is they let's take a look while I'm talking. Let's take a look at her workshop. Where is she? So I think what they do is they come out with a unit and it comes out really strong, and then slowly they nerf it, because Brayden was badass just a couple of weeks ago, and now he's okay. Pretty soon he'll be useless. The same thing happened with Kayla. The same thing happened with I think her name is Jenna. What's her name? Let's see. Jenny and Kayla used to be indispensable to me. Now they're not. Brayden was good for about 3 weeks when he got pushed up to level, his max level. He became amazing, and now he dies pretty quickly. As you can see in my other video for the XP Ultra, I have a video out on that. Almost free repair on that, but I use Brayden. He takes like between 10 and 14 minutes worth of damage. It's a pretty good unit. Still, there was no other way to get in there and do that. Well, I hope this video was interesting. I don't know if it would be helpful for you guys, but see you next time.